Hey, Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day. This is part of our test prep tutorial series. This is question number 10. That is it for the first 10 questions. You should have your notebook with you. This domain is geometry. The question says the triangle fits which of the following classifications? Picture is not drawn to scale. That means it is not perfectly even. All right, so the size of this triangle, you see 6 and 6/10, 6 and 6/10, 3 and 3/10. 1 isosceles, 2 equilateral, 3 right, 4 acute. What kind of triangle is this? All right, now what I did was I wrote some definitions down. Well, first I highlighted some keywords. The keywords that I saw is a triangle. And then classifications. Classify means I need to describe, I need to name it based on the characteristics that it has. So 2 things we're looking at when we look at this triangle. We need to look at, and I highlighted it in the picture. You can look at the sides, the length of the sides, and the measure of the angles. Okay? Sides and the angles. Here are some definitions. You might want to write this down in your notebook if you don't have it, and especially if you don't remember it and if you're confused. So look at number 1, isosceles. An isosceles triangle means it has at least 2 sides that are equal in length. Okay? Now, when it says at least, that means the least number would be 2 sides that are equal. Can 3 sides be equal? Yes, because least means the smallest that it can have equal. So isosceles means at least 2 sides are equal. Number 2, equilateral. What does that mean? An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all 3 sides have equal length. And number 3, a right triangle is a triangle that has a right angle which measures 90 degrees. And number 4, an acute angle has 3 acute angles, which acute angles are less than 90 degrees, okay? So if you notice, I wrote keywords down for my definitions. I didn't write full sentences because that helped me. So if you can understand that way or write your keywords, you can do that. So let's look at it. Is this triangle an isosceles triangle? Does it have at least 2 sides that are equal? Yes. That one and that one. Okay? So we know it's an isosceles. Is it an equilateral triangle? Are all 3 sides equal? No. All right. 3, is it a right angle? No. Is it a right triangle? That means, does it have a right angle? No. And how do you know if it's a right angle? It has that little box in the corner. It looks like an L, like that. Okay. Is it acute? It's so cute. It has 3 acute angles less than 90 degrees. And acute means, so the L was 90 degrees. If it's smaller than that, it's less than 90. If it's wider than the L, it's obtuse. All right? So this triangle is isosceles and acute. Thumbs up if you knew that. All right, so we are done with the 10 questions. Go ahead and move on to the other questions. Hopefully, as we do more and more, you will not need any more of these tutorial videos, and I'll just be making videos just to be making videos, and you don't even have to watch it anymore. All right, so get that done. Get your online assignments done if you have not, and practice, practice, practice. Get smarter and work harder. Love you.